Hello, welcome to HTML for Absolute Beginner. In this video, we are going to learn how to create our simple HTML form for beginners. So to start, I'll click on this icon. All right, so then I'll click on this icon, new file. Good, then let's call it form.html. So I'll click enter. Then I'll put my boilerplate, which is I'll hold shift and 1 together, shift and 1. Then I'll click enter. Good. Now to start with our form, but first of all, let me close this back. So I'll click on this icon back and it will close. Now to start our form, we are going to put it in a form tag. So just write form, F-O-R-M, then click enter. Good, it will bring out all this for you. So you place it here. You see where the cursor is blinking. You click enter. Good. Now, mind you, we are still inside the body tag. Now, this is the body opening tag, and this is the body closing tag. Now, this is our form closing tag, and this is our form opening tag. So we are doing everything inside the form, as you see where my cursor is blinking. So the first thing we are going to put, let's say input type. You write IMPUT, then you click enter. Good. You see input type text. So let's add placeholder. I'm going to place my cursor here. You see where my cursor is blinking. So I'll give space. Then I'll write placeholder. Then Visual Studio will complete it for you. If you don't know how to download Visual Studio, there's already a video for that. So I'll click enter. Good. Then my placeholder, where my cursor is blinking, I'm going to write name. All right. So I'll place my cursor here and click enter so that we can still be inside the form. So this is the form closing tag. So I'm going to write another input type. So input type enter. So I'm going to say this to be password. Sorry. So I'm going to write password inside this text because I want this time to be a password. So I'm going to write password. All right. So my placeholder, I'm going to write placeholder to be what? Password. Okay, right. So the last but not the least, input type again. All right. So I'm going to write email. Then placeholder will be email. So now let's run this code to see what it will look like. So I'm going to place my cursor here, right click, copy path, right? Then I'll go to any browser of my choice. In my own, I'm choosing Chrome. You can choose Explorer, whatever you want. So I'm going to Control V, paste, and then enter. So now this is the form we just created. You can see for first name, you can see for password, and you can see for email. All right. So let's add our button. So to add button to this HTML form, we'll come here. So still inside the form, click enter. So I'm going to say input type. So the input type this time will be submit. Submit. All right. Let's add our value. Let's say value to also be what? Submit. All right. So you go back to your browser, refresh. Good. So you can see for name, Ify. You can write your password and to come out in password format. So this is simple form for beginners. All right. If you have not seen our previous video, you can go and check it out. I teach you programming for beginners. So click on submit, and that is it for HTML form. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel to get more content like this. And you can go see our previous video for downloading, installing, for those that don't know how to do all of those, including how to create a new file. So see you in my next video.